Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring the environment is ready. Open Settings, confirm iCloud Drive is on for Notability, and verify you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Once done, update Notability to the latest version. Updates fix sync bugs. Make a quick local backup if any notes remain on device. That protects you while iCloud syncs. This avoids conflicts and reduces restore time. Now that prerequisites are active, move straight into the sync and library checks next. Now you rebuild sync. In Settings, toggle iCloud Drive off for Notability, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then toggle it back on. This forces a fresh handshake with iCloud. Open Notability and pull down in the library to trigger a manual sync. You'll see a progress indicator. If nothing appears, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, then repeat the toggle. Meanwhile, check iCloud, Com or another device to see if the missing notes show up there. That tells you whether the issue is device-specific. Finish by using Notability Restore from iCloud feature when presented. Follow each prompt so note versions merge correctly. If Restore fails, import from your local backup or a Time Machine snapshot on Mac. Make sure file names and folder paths match. Once restored, verify attachments and handwriting. If problems persist, try this one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot the device, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, and confirm iCloud has at least 1% free space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.